Hey guys, Cheri from The Watering Mouth here. I have a what I eat in a day recipe set here for you of eat to live meals, all healthy, high nutrient, whole foods, plant-based, amazing food to help you lose weight if you want, but definitely just be healthy and get some good fiber and nutrients in that body. Are you wondering what all these little sticky notes are behind me? I'll just tell you. They're all the folks who just joined the Eat to Live family in this most recent opening. I wanted to tell you about that just briefly in case you're interested, but we have a wait list right now. We're not open. So consider joining the Eat to Live family. All of us are together learning how to eat to live, get coached on our mindset around doing it consistently for the rest of our life. So consider that, thewateringmouth.com/family. All right, today's recipes are super awesome. All the recipes are actually below in the description. I tell you what's in there as well in the video, but if you want a PDF of the recipes that you can just take and print out really quick and easy, sign up for the cheat sheets at thewateringmouth.com/cheat sheets, and you can download that and then get all the other PDFs from recipes in the past too. All right, let's see how to make this food. Breakfast brings the taste of pumpkin pie to your bowl. We're having pumpkin pie oats. In a large bowl, we combine 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 cup of unsweetened non-dairy milk, and ½ cup water. Into this, we're going to add 1 cup of unsweetened canned pumpkin puree, but make sure you don't get the pumpkin pie filling because that's going to have salt and sugar and a bunch of junk. So we're just getting this canned pumpkin puree, throw it in, 1½ teaspoons ground cinnamon, ½ teaspoon grated nutmeg, ½ teaspoon ground ginger, 3 tablespoons ground flax seeds, 1 tablespoon maple extract. We're going to shred 2 sweet apples and stir it into the mixture to add sweetness. The food processor makes quick work of this if you want to do that. This gets all stirred together and we're going to scoop it into a container to chill. You can eat this right away if you like, or serve it cold, or gently heat it, however you want to have it. Finally, chop some greens if you like. We're going to use spinach and place them in the bottom of your bowl. Yes, do this. It's amazing. Pile on the oats, stir together while eating. I promise you're not even going to taste the spinach because it's so mild. You could even use a little bit of romaine, even tiny flecks of kale you're not going to taste either, so give it a whirl, all right? For lunch, we have Eat to Live salad with almond ginger dressing. For our big lunch salad, we shred a head of romaine lettuce and 2 collard leaves. We spin these in the salad spinner to dry, and we're going to layer some onion and orange sweet bell pepper in with the greens. We're going to chop some dried cherries and pecans in smaller pieces so they'll go further in the salad. Next, we will whip up a delicious almond butter ginger dressing. Into the blender goes 3/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup 1 ingredient almond butter, and then we add the juice of 3 lemons along with some lemon zest, 1 clove of garlic, and a little thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger going along with the additional spices of 1/4 teaspoon powdered turmeric, 1/8 of a teaspoon freshly ground black pepper that helps with the bioavailability of the nutrients in the turmeric, and 2 tablespoons unfortified nutritional yeast. We have links for the yeast, the one that we like, which is unfortified, in the cheat sheets as well as in the description below this video, okay? 1 pear goes in as well, and we're gonna whirl that up until smooth. A quick taste test reveals a little more sweetness is needed, so we're gonna add another pear. And now our lovely dressing is done. Dinner is a simple celery cauliflower soup, and if you know Coach Nancy and her soups, she makes the most delicious soup, so get ready. We're going to start by dicing 1 medium onion, 5 medium carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. This handy chopper that she has makes this job super simple. Into the Instant Pot, we add 8 cups of low-sodium veggie broth, and then 4 cups of cauliflower rice, 5 cloves of garlic pressed into the mix, and then some freshly ground black pepper, and Mrs. Dash will add some nice flavor. The soup is ready to cook. Always make sure to seal your Instant Pot properly for your pressure cooker. While that cooks, we use the food processor to chop the kale. We're going to use 3 cups of kale in the soup. And to make this into a semi-creamy soup, we're going to use the Vitamix to blend half of the soup with 1½ cups of cooked Great Northern beans and ½ cup of unfortified nutritional yeast. We then combine this creamed mixture with the rest of the soup and the chopped kale. So the soup is ready. And feel free to do this in a regular pot over the stove if you like. If you don't have an Instant Pot, which I highly recommend you get an Instant Pot if you can, it's totally worth it. It makes soup so much faster and totally hands-off. If you are making this soup just over the stovetop, you can just cook it for 20 minutes and it'll be done. And if you want to use the same technique of blending half of the soup to make it creamier, feel free. Okay, how'd you like it? Pretty easy stuff. Definitely a great meal plan for a day if you are looking to lose weight. Just make sure that you only eat as much as you need. Don't overeat. Eat enough to feel full, satiated, and get you to the next meal. All right, if you want the recipes for this, all the exact instructions, just go to thewateringmouth.com/cheat sheets. download that cheat sheet and you will get access to this set of recipes as well as so many other recipes in the past that we've done. So make sure you get on the cheat sheets to get those PDFs. There's also the recipe down in the description of this video too if you want to do that. So either way, but if you like the PDF, sign up for the cheat sheets. Okay, I hope you like this. Let us know what you think down below in the comments. I always love to hear from you. Do you have any favorite soup recipes? Share those with us, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.